Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check TikTok drafts. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So what you want to do is you want to open up TikTok, and once you open up your TikTok, it's pretty easy to see where your drafts are, because as you can see they are right, like they will be your first thing on this left side. So you basically click on that, and here you will be able to see all of your drafts, and then you can select, delete them. You can click on the draft, for example, click on next to actually post them, or you can post them to your story. Whatever you do, then it's going to be removed from your drafts, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.